Hello, Hopscotchers! This week, we got a pretty special program in store for you. We're gonna have Game of the Day features every single day this week. And in these videos, we'll play your projects in real time. And at the very end, we'll announce which project is the Game of the Day. If you'd like to submit your own projects or recommend another project for us to play, you should go ahead and visit our forum. And I'll leave the link below. All right, let's get started. I'm pretty stoked. All right, the first game up is Music Maker version 1.0 by SpyGuy96. Let's do this. Wow, immediately it's such a crazy interface. It looks like a long timeline, and then I have all these different options to put my music notes. Okay, I'm gonna tap around. Sweet F. Let's make a little sequence here. Getting a little jazzy. It's an experimental composition. All right, let's listen to how this sounds. That is so jazzy. Oh, and it repeats. Oh, we have a little tempo function. Whoa! Remix. This is so fun. I could go back and add some more notes and add chords. Thank you so much for making this music sequencer, SpyGuy96. I'm going to have so much fun with this, and I feel like I'll use this to help me write some songs. All right, next up we have Pizza Palace by Anaya D1. I am hungry. Welcome to Pizza Palace. We just got hired for a job as a chef, but we have to pass a speed test. Make as many pizzas as you can in 4 minutes. If you make 35 pizzas or more, then you're in. But if you don't, then you've failed. All right, this sounds intense. Okay, it's giving us instructions. Oh no, we're already on the timer. We're on the clock. So it says first, drag a bowl of ingredients to make pizza dough. Okay, dough. Oh no, what do I do? Do I do this? Oh, nice. Oh, yum. Okay, how do I get more dough? Okay, dough machine. I tapped the dough machine. We got a cheese pizza. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. This is freshly baked. Okay, we only have 2 pizzas made. I think, oh no, we have sad faces. Please be happy again. Oh no, okay. Okay. Happy face. Oh no, how come they're so sad? Oh, now they're angry. They're angry at me. I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying. I promise. I really love these facial expressions though. This is really putting the pressure on me as a chef. I really want the job. 32. All right, the countdown. The countdown is on. Hey! We aced it! Woohoo! We made it! But sadly, everyone looks really disappointed in my chef skills. But hey, it takes practice, and the restaurant business is extremely tough. So respect to all the pizza chefs out there. And thank you for making this awesome game. This was really fun. It inspires me to make a pizza of my own. Pretty hungry now. And next up, we have Galaxy Rift Adventure by Juan G1. Whoa, this art is amazing. I love the color scheme. Okay, it says, hello, Captain. Your mission is to travel as far as you can until you reach the 60 light years. There, you will be encountered by a boss you must defeat. Good luck, Captain. Oh, and just a reminder, swipe right to move right, and swipe left to move left. And make sure you collect gems, as these could be used to unlock another laser slot. And be careful on your journey, as there may be asteroids and hostile ships that shoot lasers. So we gotta dodge them, and we can only get hit 5 times before we are destroyed. Whoa! All right, let's press start. Oh no! I got hit by an asteroid immediately. Oh. Let's see, how do I shoot? How do I shoot? Oh, there we go. Gems. Alright, got a gem. Avoid the asteroid. Oh no! Okay, let's see. Get this gem. Woo! Wow. Oh, look at the ship. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, wait. No, I wanted to. Oh, no! I was trying to destroy the ship and get points for that. But then I got hit by the ship and an asteroid at the same time. I like this fail screen, especially the try again arrow that's animated to point at the replay button. That was really fun. You guys got to play this and see if you could beat my high score. Shout out to Juan G1 for coding a pretty adventurous, awesome game. Next up, we have BestPets Wolf by Sad Catto. Oh, I love the tail animation. Oh, and it's looking everywhere. I like the ear twitch. It's absolutely adorable. I'm gonna put all the stuff. Should we do the top hat or the baseball cap? Top hat. No. And oh, beautiful. Let's do green eyes, orange eyes, yellow eyes. I'm gonna do, let's see, green eyes. I like green eyes. Colors. Oh, this is adorable. I'm gonna screenshot this and share it with friends who are pet lovers. I wonder what it would be like to have a pet wolf. Well, this is my pet wolf for now. Thank you so much, Sad Catto, for making this really cute game. And last up, we have Cookie Monster by Sarah G1. Cookies! I love the cookies logo. That is so well drawn. Instructions. Drag your finger along the screen to move Cookie Monster and to collect points. Eat the cookies, but be careful. If you eat the tennis balls, you lose a point. Get as many points as you can and see if you can beat your friends. All right, let's set this high score. Start. Woo! So many cookies. Wow, these cookies are everywhere. Game over. Oh, but we still have some cookies. We still have some cookies left over. Wow, 32 points. 32 points, y'all. Let's see if you could beat my high score. Thank you so much to Sarah G1 for coding Cookie Monster. All right, now it is time to announce the game of the day. And the game of the day is Pizza Palace by Anaya D1. Congratulations. Shout out to all of the coders featured today. Your work is amazing. Please go check out all of these games on the Hopscotch app, and I'll leave the links to the projects in the description below. If you want to submit your games and recommendations for us to play, go ahead and visit our forum. Again, keep a lookout every day this week. We will be back with more games of the day. See you next time.